I start my journey deep inside your lungs. Here, millions of tiny air sacs, called alveoli, wait for every breath you take. When you inhale, fresh oxygen fills these sacs. Thin walls separate me from that air, and oxygen molecules rush toward me, attaching themselves to the hemoglobin inside red blood cells. The heart is my engine, 4 powerful chambers that never rest. I flow from the lungs into the left atrium, then through a valve into the left ventricle, the strongest muscle in the human body. With one powerful squeeze, it pushes me into the aorta, the body's main highway. That's my launch pad. From here, I'll reach every cell in your body in under a minute. As I rush through the arteries, I'm surrounded by smooth muscle walls, flexible and strong, keeping my path open under pressure. Each heartbeat sends a pulse through these tunnels. That's the pulse you feel in your wrist or neck. I move quickly, but soon the roads split and narrow into smaller and smaller branches, called arterioles. Now I've reached the tiniest passageways, capillaries. Here, my speed slows, and my walls are so thin that oxygen can slip right through them. I hand off oxygen to waiting cells, muscles, skin, brain, you name it. In return, they give me something they don't need, carbon dioxide. My color darkens from bright red to deep maroon. I'm no longer oxygen-rich. Now I'm carrying waste gas back home. Some of my friends take a detour
The brain
through the carotid
utilizes a
arteries
significant
to feed
portion
your
of
brain.
the body's oxygen
The brain
supply.
uses about 20% of all the oxygen you breathe. If I stop delivering for even 5 seconds, you faint. That's how sensitive your brain is. It depends on me every single heartbeat. When you exercise, your muscles demand more oxygen. Your heart beats faster, your blood vessels widen, and I'm sent racing down to your arms and legs. Every drop of me is loaded with oxygen, and in the muscles, it's used to burn glucose and release energy, the fuel that powers every move you make. My job isn't over. Now I have to make the long trip back. I flow into veins, the wide, soft tunnels that bring me home. But here's the challenge. I'm going against gravity. To help, the veins have tiny valves, little doors that keep me from slipping backward. Every time your muscles move, they squeeze the veins, pushing me upward. That's why walking and stretching are so important. They help me return to your heart. I reach the heart again, but this time through the right atrium. I pass another valve into the right ventricle, which sends me straight to the lungs again. There, I release carbon dioxide and pick up a fresh load of oxygen. Bright red again, I'm ready for another loop around your body. I make this journey around 3 times every minute, over 4,000 times a day. Your heart never stops. Even while you sleep, I'm moving, delivering, collecting, repeating.
From the outside, it looks simple. You breathe, your heart beats, and you move. But inside, billions of red blood cells like me are working in perfect harmony, so your body stays alive. I'm small, but together, we carry the very essence of life.